Good afternoon, children. Children, today let us learn how to write a number in terms of its prime factors. Prime factors. You already learned about this using factor tree. Let us revise this again, children. To change a number into its prime factors is known as prime factorization. Prime factorization. Okay. Prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay. A prime number is a number that has exactly two factors that you already learned. The factors of a prime number are 1 and the number itself. Okay, let us take an example of the number 30. You know that the factors of 30 are 5 and 6. 5 into 6 is 30. But here 6 is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. So the number 6 is expressed as 2 into 3. Here we are expressing 30 as the product of prime factors. Okay. So 6 can be expressed as 2 into 3. Now we can change 30 as 2 into 3 into 5. This is prime factorization of 30. Okay. So children, prime factorization means it is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Prime number is a number which has exactly two factors. Okay, here we are finding the prime factors of 30. First, we factorize 30 as 5 into 6. 30 as 5 into 6. Since 6 is not a prime number, we are factorizing 6 as 2 into 3. 2 into 3. Okay. So, our final answer is 2 into 3 into 5. Always write it in ascending order. Okay. Let me explain this, children. There are many ways to find the prime factors of a number. Our first method is the factor tree. Factor tree. Prime factorization using the method factor tree. First, you divide your whole number by any set of factor pairs. Divide the number by any set of factor pairs. You can choose any set, children. A number has many factors. Circle any prime numbers. Circle the prime numbers. Continue dividing by factor pairs until all you have left are prime numbers. നമുക്ക് പ്രൈം നമ്പേഴ്സ് കിട്ടുന്നത് വരെ നമ്മളിത് കണ്ടിന്യൂ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ. സോ ചിൽഡ്രൻ, ഹിയർ ദ നമ്പർ ഗിവൺ ഈസ് 120. 120. We divide the 120 as 12 and 10. 12 and 10. Okay. We split 120 as 12 and 10. Because 12 into 10 is 120. Okay. Since 12 and 10 are composite numbers, we are continuing our division. We are again splitting this 12 into 6 and 2. 6 and 2. First we will continue here, children. 6 is a composite number. So again continue the division. 6 can be split as 2 into 3. Okay. Now this portion is over because we reach the prime factors, prime numbers. Next, here the number 10 is split as 2 into 5. Since 2 and 5 are prime numbers, we can stop our work here. Okay. So the prime factors of 120 are 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay. 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 5. Now arrange this in ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to biggest. So write 2 first. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now we can write this as powers of 2. Powers of 2. Powers of 2 means we can write that in the index form. Index form. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 means 2 to the power of 3. 2 cubed. Okay. Then how many 3s here, children? 1. So write that 3 and again 5. So the prime factorization of 120 is 2 cubed into 3 into 5. Or 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3, then into 3 into 5. Okay. So children, divide the number by any set of factor pairs. Any number you can use, children, any factors. Okay. Then circle out the prime numbers among the factors. Circle the prime numbers. Prime numbers matram circle cheya. Continue dividing by factor pairs until all you have left are prime numbers. Continue this step, children, until you will get all factors as prime numbers. Prime numbers. Okay. Let me explain few more examples, children. Our next number is 450. Here we can start with 45 into 10. 45 into 10. Okay. Children, the factor tree method is great because we can start with any factors. Any factors, not just prime factors. Okay. Then we continue to branch out until we only have prime factors left. Here we split 450 as 45 and 10. 45 and 10. Both are composite numbers. Okay. So we can use any numbers, any factors. Then we continue to branch out until we only have prime factors left. Prime factors kittunnathu vare we can continue this work. Okay. So here we can start with 45 into 10 because 45 into 10 is equal to 450. Now each number branches to a factor pair. 45 can split as 5 and 9. 5 and 9. Circle the prime number. Since 9 is a composite number, split 9 as 3 into 3. 3 into 3. Okay. So this step is over. Now take the number 10. 10. 10 is a composite number. So split 10 as prime factors, that is 5 into 2. 5 into 2. Finally, our answer is, write all prime numbers. 5 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 2. Okay. Write these numbers in ascending order, children. Ascending. So 2 into 3 into 3 into 5 into 5. Okay. Now we can write this as 2 into 3 squared, because 3 times 3. 3 squared into 5 squared. 5 into 5. Okay, using the indices form. Index or power. So our final answer is 2 into 3 squared into 5 squared. Why 3 squared, children? Because in our factorization there are 2 times 3. 3 multiplied by 3 and 2 times 5. 5 multiplied by 5. Okay. Our next number is 72. 72. Divide 72 as 4 into 18. 4 into 18, the branches. 4 and 18. Since 4 and 18 are composite numbers, we will continue our division till we get the prime numbers. Okay. Prime numbers kittunna vare nammal idu continue cheyum. Split 4 as 2 into 2. 2, 2. Okay. Next, split 18 as 3 into 6. Because 3 6 are 18. Then since 3 is a prime number right here. Now split 6 into 2 and 3. So 2, 2, 2 and 3. Then again 2 and 3. Okay. So the prime factorization of 72 is 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, 2 into 3. So write in ascending order. So 72 is equal to how many 2's, children? 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Write as indices form. So count the number of 2's. 1, 2, 3. So 2 raised to 3 or 2 to the power of 3 or 2 cubed into 3 squared. This is the prime factorization of 72. 2 cubed into 3 squared. Okay. Our next question is 32. 32. Split 32 as 4 and 8. 4 and 8. 4 8s are 32. Again split this 4 as 2 and 2. 8 as 2 into 4. Okay. Since 4 is a composite number, continue our division. We can split 4 as 2 into 2. So what is the prime factorization of 32? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. How many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how will we write this? 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5. Okay. Here we are multiplying 2 5 times. 5 times. Power is repeated multiplication. So our final answer is 2 to the power of 5. That means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Clear? Now our next number is 12. 12. 12 can be split into 3 into 4. 3 into 4. Or you can split as 2 into 6. You can use any factors, children. Any factors. Okay. 3 is a prime number. Now split 4. Since it is a composite number. Split 4 as 2 into 2. Circle these numbers. So in our final branch, there is only prime numbers. So we can stop our work. So what is the prime factorization of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. We can write it as 2 raised to 2 or 2 to the power of 2 or 2 squared. 2 squared into 3. 2 squared into 3. That is the prime factorization of 12. Okay. Next 18. 2 into 9. Okay. Children, if the given number is an even number, always start with 2. Okay. Since 2 is a prime number, we can stop here. Continue our division here. 9, 2, 9, 2 prime number. Continue your division here. 3 3s are 9. 3 into 3, 9. Okay. Prime numbers. So stop your work. Now you can write 18 as 2 into 3 into 3. So our answer is 2 into 3 to the power of 2 or 3 squared. Okay. This is the prime factorization of 18. Let me show you one more example. You can split any large number like this, children. 96. 96. You can split 96 as, since 96 is an even number, I am starting with 2. 2 into 48. Okay. ഇത് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് 48 ആണ് ഈ 2 കൊണ്ട് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ വരുന്നത് എന്ന് അറിയില്ലെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ ഡിവൈഡ് 96 by 2. ഓക്കെ. ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കുക. 4 times 8, 1, 6, in 16, 2, 8 times 0. So, our quotient is 48. ആ quotient ആണ് നമ്മളിവിടെ എഴുതുക. ഓക്കെ. Now, we can continue this division. 48 to 24. 1 minute, children. 96 can be split into 2 and 48. Then 2 is a prime number. Continue here. Composite number. So 2 and 24. 2 into 24 is equal to 48. Okay. You can divide 48 by 2, then you will get 24 as quotient. Our quotient ഇവിടെ എഴുതുക. Okay. 2 is a prime number. Continue. 2 and 12. 2 into 12, 24. 2 is a prime number. Again continue here. 2, 6. 2 is a prime number. Divide 6 as 2 and 3. 2 and 3 are prime numbers. Okay. So 96 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. So we can write 96 as how many 2, children? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So 2 raised to 5 or 2 to the power of 5 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 96. Okay. So here we start with 2 since 96 is an even number. Even number. അപ്പോൾ 96നെ 2 കൊണ്ട് ഡിവൈഡ് ചെയ്ത് നോക്കിയാൽ നമുക്ക് quotient 48 കിട്ടും. Okay. Then again you split 48 as 2 into 24. Since 24 is a composite number, continue your division. Divide 24 as 2 into 12. Again divide 12 as 2 into 6. Divide 6 as 2 into 3. Okay. Circle the prime numbers here. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 5 2s and 1 3. So our prime factorization is 2 to the power of 5 into 3. 2 to the power of 5 into 3. This is the prime factorization of 96. Okay. So children, prime factorization is a way of expressing a number as a product of its prime factors. Okay? നമ്മൾ പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടറൈസേഷൻ ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ നമ്മുടെ ലാസ്റ്റ് സ്റ്റെപ്പിൽ പ്രൈം ഫാക്ടേഴ്സ് മാത്രമേ ഉണ്ടാവുള്ളൂ. Hope this topic is clear for you. If you have any doubt about any topic, please send me a message. Thank you, children.